I'm praying for rain in California, so the grapes will grow, they can make more wine. I'm sitting in a honky in Chicago with a broken heart and a woman on my mind. Hi, I'm Lisa. I am the ukulele fool, foolishly believing that you want to elevate your playing style and spice up your endings on phrases. You only need these 4 simple chords to do this song, and I hope this helps you on your ukulele journey, so you can give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and a big shout out to my patron Damien. This was his song request. Thank you so much, Damien. I'm so glad that you are part of our patron community. You are a valued member. Thanks. And if you'd like to be a member of our Patreon community, it starts at $3 a month. You get all the chord charts and other great rewards, including live Zoom sessions with me. So consider joining and supporting this channel, because honestly, I couldn't do it without the financial support of my patrons. The basic strum that we're going to be using for this is a bum ditty or cowboy strum. So it's a 2-beat strum, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and. On the 1, which takes up a full beat, I am just bouncing on the top 2. So it's just a partial strum, bounce, down, a bounce, down, a bounce, down, a bounce, down. We're going to practice that in what I call like a strum and hum thing here with the chords. None of the pesky lyrics. Let's just kind of hum the tune and get a lay of the land. Each box here on this box diagram tool that we're going to use, it's 2 cowboy strums per each box. If you'll notice on the endings, I've got a little coding there that explains to my patrons who get the chord chart everything that is going on those specialized endings. We actually have one of those specialized endings right here on the box diagram. We're just going to throw in some single down strums because that's easy and we can just do that right away. Let's get going. Grab your uke, make sure it's in 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, and here we go. Ba ba ba, ba 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 ba, ba 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 da da da, bum ba ba da bum ba ba da da. Alright, I've got timestamps down below. Play this as many times as you need to feel comfortable with the basics. Let's move on to our first trick, which is those easy down strums. Learning from Dean Martin. His band gives a little punch, 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 punch to go along with that line that he's singing, and that happens in the 2nd and 4th verse on the end of the 3rd line. So never underestimate the power of a down strum. So it sounds like this. When they ask, who's the fool in the corner crying? And that line is the same in both the 2nd and 4th verse. So let's use it both times. So bada bing, bada boom. You got one of those stylistic points already mastered. Change is a constant. So why don't we make that part of our ukulele playing too, as it is in life, right? We've been going along with the bum, diddy, bum, diddy. But an island strum is way more active. Down, up, down, up. So one of my suggestions for the ending is taking away two of the bum ditties and substituting an island strum. So looking at the box diagram right here at the end, we're going to do two bum ditties and then go into an island strum right here. So let's try that. 1, 2, here we go. Bum, diddy, island strum. Let's do that a couple more times. 1, 2, here we go. Bum, diddy, island strum. 1, 2, do it again. Bum, diddy, down, down, up, down, up. One more time. And bum, diddy, island strum. The beauty of putting in an island strum there at the end is that our vocals are either sustaining a note or we've already dropped out. So that gives your mind full attention to saying the down, down, up, down, up, or the banana, coconut. Let's put that with the song. 1, 2, here we go. I'm praying for rain in California. Down, down, up, down, up. Like that. It also happens when we're doing Chicago. So let's do this line together too. 1, 2. And I'm sitting in a honky in Chicago. Down, down, up, down, up. Get the idea? And so again, my box diagram shows you where that is. This is the phrase ending number 1, a more active phrase ending. I do this all the time when I'm performing, thinking about how I can spice up my endings so that my listeners don't get kind of ear numb with the same repetitive rhythm background to my singing. This next one is really fun. We're going to put in a slide. We're kind of going to sort of put a G-flat chord in there. It's not a true G-flat. I know that in case you happen to be up on your music theory. I know it, but it goes by so quickly, nobody will know. Okay, it sounds like this. So the grapes will grow and they can make more wine. Let me break it down. I'm going to strum up here so you can see my two hands close together so I can really zoom in editing. You're going to slide all your fingers all the way up 1 fret, and then you're going to slide them back down. And the strumming that we're going to do with it is down, down, up. That is the down, down, up portion of an island strum. Let's just practice that little portion together a few times. 1, 2, here we go. Down, down, up. 1, 2, do it again. Down, down, up. 1, 2, do again. Down, down, up. If I'm going too fast for you, I'm going to link up here and down below a hack for slowing me down. And if I'm too slow for you, well, it'll do that too. So putting it all together with the island strum sounds and looks like this. Down, down, up, down, up. Let's practice that together even slower. 2. So grab your ukulele. Let's do it about 8 times. 1, 2, here we go. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down. I think that was 8 times, and if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. This next trick requires a little bit of music theory and a little bit of finger picking. It is more advanced, and so if you don't want to incorporate it, I get that. So I have a music theory playlist of little animated things that I'm starting. I'll link it up here and down below. What we're going to be doing is doing a chord progression that's called an amen chord progression. No, I haven't done the video yet for it, but who knows? You may be watching this a year later and then it'll be there. Okay, so it's a 4-1 ending. Most endings on a chord progression are 5-1. And so you can hear it. Amen. That's why it's called the Amen chord progression. I substitute, instead of just ending, doing it on the C to end, I substitute an F chord in there, and then I finger pick it into a C. It sounds like this. I'm playing an F chord, and I do it with my thumb. I switch and do a down strum on an F with my thumb. I pluck the C, E string, and then switch to a C and down strum. 1, 2, and 3. So the 1, 2, and 3. So down, pick, pick, down. Did I watch it again? Let's practice that a few times together. 2, here we go. 1, 2, do it again. Do it again. Last time. Now let's get a little bit of a running leap into it. We're going to do 2 bum ditties on C and then do that. And so I'm using my index finger for the bum ditties, and when I get to the F, I switch to my thumb and stay there for the C. Let's try it. 1, 2, here we go. Bum ditty, bum ditty. Let's do it again. 1, 2, here we go. Bum ditty, bum ditty. 1, 2, do it again. Bum ditty, bum ditty. Last time. Bum ditty, bum ditty. All right, let's do a little slow hum and strum. I'll try to give you as much guidance, and I've got the little cues here. Let's get it solidified in our ears and our fingers before we start putting it all together. So 1, 2, here we go. Bum, ditty, bum, ditty, bum, ba, 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 island strum. Ba, da, 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 ba, ba, da, da, da. Here comes the slide. Da 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 da. Here's the island strum. Da 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 ba 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 da da da. Amen. Da 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 ba ba da da da. Island strum. Da 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 ba ba da da da. Slide. Ba da bum bum bum. Here's the single down strums of ba da 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 da. Amen. Please, I would love to hear about your ukulele journey. I appreciate everybody that leaves me that in the comments, and I respond to my comments. I'm not such a big channel that I can't do that, so let me know and I'll send something back at you. Play along with me. I'm going to do all the variations of the phrase endings, but play only the ones you're comfortable with. It's a process. It's a journey. 1, 2, here we go. I'm praying for rain in California. California. So the grapes will grow, they can make more wine. And I'm sitting in a honky in Chicago with a broken heart and a woman on my mind. I asked the man behind the bar for the jukebox, and the music takes me back to Tennessee. When they ask who's the fool in the corner crying, I say, little old wine drinker me. I got here last week from down in Nashville, 'cause my baby left for Florida on the train. I said I'd get a job and just forget her, but in Chicago a broken heart is just the same. I asked the man behind the bar for the jukebox, and the music takes me back to Tennessee. When they ask who's the fool in the corner crying, I say, little old wine drinker me. I say, little old wine drinker me. I say, little old wine drinker me. How did you do? I'd love to know. You know, while we've been filming here, my dog has been cuddling up, enjoying the music. Again, if you'd like to join me on Patreon, I'd love to have you. I do charity efforts too, and we're so close to our next goal. Please consider joining us and spreading the ukulele love. Thanks for watching to the end.